Good morning, shooters. It is the morning of Native American Appreciation Day. My wife is upstairs cooking dinner for the family for our little get together today. I would just be in the way up there. So I decided to keep myself busy and do maybe a 15-20 minute DIY project, film related, photography related. Stay tuned, take a look. Today's project before our Thanksgiving dinner, I wanted to keep myself busy. I have quite a few of these old vintage refrigerator shelves, drawers, wire drawers. Got quite a few of these I've collected over the years. I wanted to kind of repurpose this, so had a piece of scrap wood that I found in the dungeon down here and limited power tools. Stay tuned. Where did it go? Where is the day's project? Let's go see, shall we? Welcome to the dungeon. Dun, 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 dun. Sound effects.
When you see that sucker Nate, tell him what we did.